This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening X and going straight to Settings and Privacy. Once there, tap Privacy and Safety so you change controls in one place. Make sure you updated the app and have two-factor authentication enabled. This protects changes and stops accidental lockouts. Now set your tweet audience, protected versus public, and confirm your email and phone are correct. Do this first because audience and recovery details are foundational. They determine who sees your content and who can restore access. Once done with account basics, tighten who sees and interacts with you. You can protect your tweets so only approved followers view them and restrict replies to followers or people you follow. Then disable discoverability options that let others find you by phone or email. This reduces spam and doxing risk. Make sure to adjust direct message settings to limit messages from everyone versus followers. Also curate muted words and sensitive content settings so your feed reflects your comfort level. To finish, audit connected apps and revoke any access you no longer trust. These tokens bypass normal privacy controls. Export your account data if you want a record of changes, then review the privacy settings on both mobile and desktop to make sure they synced. If changes don't save, clear the app cache, log out completely, update the app, and try again. This often fixes sync errors. If problems persist, re-enable two-factor authentication and contact support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.